everyone, my name is Jayrinemae Jacinto from BSHM 2A, and our lesson for today is all about supply chain management making. So what is a supply chain management? It is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw materials into final products. Let us now move to our main topic, which is the making or the decision making. Supply chain decision making complexity is the difficulty faced by a decision maker when managing a supply chain. It is measure of the collective effort required for problem definition, data collection, problem analysis, solution implementation, and control. The decision-making process for supply chain management is complex and involves multiple people across multiple teams. As supply chain manager, you may be able to find cost saving and reduce delays at many points in the transportation portion of the supply chain. Your skills and making decision about every factor, from the mode of shipping to the freight company to the efficiency of operations at the receiving dock, can contribute to a smooth running supply chain. Effective decision making in supply chain management isn't required only because of the challenges in manufacturing and logistics. Okay, let us now move to decision making skills for supply chain management professionals. The decision-making process for supply chain management is complex and involves multiple people across multiple teams. When employers look for someone to oversee supply chain management, effective decision-making is high on the list of desired qualifications. If you want to advance your career as a manager in the global supply chain, it's important to hone your problem-solving skills. An effective decision-making process is the best defense against the unknown for any organization. Many companies look to their supply chain management professionals to design and implement decision-making processes that will keep the organization one step ahead in an ever-changing world. Let us now move to the importance of a decision-making skills in supply chain management. A supply chain manager has to make hard decisions, often quickly with real-time data. It is crucial to have problem-solving skills to apply whenever your supply chain experiences a glitch. A small manufacturing issue can turn into a much larger problem if your organization doesn't have effective decision-making procedures in place. Managing a manufacturing and logistics operation that spans border and continents requires nimble and effective decision-making. In a world where tariffs and trade regulations can and do change frequently, problem-solving skills that allow you to assess each new situation and quickly implement solutions are essentials. Let's now move to the ability to identify problems in the supply chain. The best supply chain professionals can spot potential problems before they arise and take action before they cause a major rupture in the supply chain. Since it's not possible to see every problem in advance, you also need to be able to define problems in real time, then quickly formulate and implement solutions. Let's now move to the ability to develop and communicate solutions. As a supply chain leader in your organization, you not only need to develop solutions to problems that arise, but also communicate changes in supply chain operations to all parties involved. That may mean informing and educating your team members on changes to the process. It can also mean coordinating with outside suppliers in manufacturing, transportation, or warehousing. Your aptitude for clearly communicating your decision is a key as your role in supply chain management. Let's now move to the ability to identify trends and opportunities for greater efficiency, quality, and cost savings. Supply chains are dynamic and your leadership and decision-making processes should be as well rather than waiting for a challenging situation to arise. Keep an eye on trends in supply chain management to make sure you're aware of current best practices. If you can spot opportunities to improve supply chain operations and create plans to take advantage of those opportunities, your team can behave proactively rather than responding reactively. We also have the ability to leverage data and technology to analyze problems and opportunities in supply chain. Data is your friend in supply chain management. When your decision-making process is based on good data, you're able to make better choices. Supply chain leaders need to stay abreast of the latest software innovations that can improve job performance and help ensure that supply chains run seamlessly.